I'm Jackson Mangum from the WRSV News, here at Laketon Elementary School with breaking news. Rivalries have been going on here because of one big contest. And here with me to answer some questions is Lynsey, a 5th grader. Lynsey, tell me about this contest.
Well, there's this boy named Dave. He's in my class, and I think he's kind of annoying. He thinks that the girls talk too much, but we all know that the boys do.
Wow, that's interesting. Tell me more.
Well, Dave was the first one to mess up by talking because the teacher asked him a question and he used more than three words in a sentence which mean the girls got some points.
So, did that mean the boys lost?
Well, not really. The contest wasn't over yet. There was a few more days to go.
What happened in the last couple days?
Well, when we were at lunch, the principal got mad at us because we weren't talking enough, and Dave lost his temper, and he yelled at the principal.
Whoa! Yelling at an adult of any age or any sort is never a good idea. Did he get in trouble?
Yep, he did. Really big trouble. He had to go to the office.
Then I assume the girls won the contest?
Technically we did, but before the contest ended, I started to feel kind of sorry for Dave, so I spoke a few words just enough to make to make it a tie. No one should ever really have a giant red L drawn on their forehead.
I've never heard of rivalry contests ending like this. I think all my viewers could learn some advice from you and Dave about settling problems. This is Jackson Mangum from the WRSV News. Now, Bob, back to you in the studio.